You need to see this. Do you want to create engaging and original YouTube videos but struggle with writing scripts? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many YouTube creators face this challenge, especially when they have to produce videos fast and frequently. But what if I told you there is a tool that can make script writing easier and faster for you? A tool that can help you generate ideas, structure your content, and polish your language. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's called ChatGPT, and in this video I will show you how to use it to write amazing scripts for your YouTube videos. I will also share some tips and tricks to make ChatGPT write what you want. But before we get started, please do me a favor and smash that like and subscribe button to support my channel and get notified of more awesome videos like this one. Alright, are you ready to discover the power of ChatGPT? Let's go. How can ChatGPT help you write scripts for your YouTube videos? Well, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a creative assistant that can generate text for you using a state-of-the-art natural language processing model. Whether you want to have a conversation, tell a story, write a poem, crack a joke, or anything else, ChatGPT can do it for you. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1. The first step to write a script for your YouTube video is to pick a topic and a format. What are you passionate about? What do you want to share with your audience? You can choose anything from fashion trends to cooking tips to video game reviews. Then you need to decide how you want to deliver your message. Do you want to make a vlog where you talk directly to the camera? Do you want to make a tutorial where you show step-by-step instructions? Do you want to make a commentary where you give your opinion on something? There are many formats you can choose from depending on your style and preference. Step 2. The next step is to chat with ChatGPT about your topic and format. You can find ChatGPT online or on your phone and select the mode that works best for you. For instance, you can go for the balanced mode if you want a normal conversation, the creative mode if you want some fun and original content, or the precise mode if you want some accurate and reliable information. You can also customize the settings to change the tone, the personality, and the length of the responses. Once you are ready, you can start chatting with ChatGPT like you would with a friend or a colleague. You can ask ChatGPT anything related to your topic and format, such as questions, opinions, jokes, or tips. Step 3. The next step is to turn ChatGPT's responses into your script. You will see that ChatGPT will produce text that is clear, relevant, and engaging. You can take ChatGPT's responses as inspiration for your script, or even use them as they are if they match your video well. You can also change, modify, or remove any parts of the text that you don't like or that are not appropriate for your video. You can also request ChatGPT to generate more content if you need more ideas or information. Step 4. The last step is to check and polish your script. When you have enough text for your script, you should go over it carefully and make sure that it meets your goals and standards and that it is factually correct. You should look for spelling, grammar, punctuation, and clarity mistakes and fix them if needed. You should also make sure that your script has a clear structure, a catchy introduction, a smooth transition between paragraphs or sections, and a strong conclusion. You should also make sure that your script matches your tone, style, and voice as a YouTube creator. Now that you know how to use ChatGPT to write scripts for YouTube videos, let's talk about some tips and best practices that can help you make your scripts better and more effective, and avoid some common problems and challenges that you might face when using ChatGPT. Tip 1. Use specific and relevant keywords when chatting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates text based on your input, so you should use keywords that are related to your topic and format, and avoid vague or general terms that might confuse or mislead ChatGPT. For example, if you want to make a video about how to play chess, you should use keywords like chess, rules, strategies, moves, pieces, board, etc., and avoid keywords like game, hobby, fun, etc. That might make ChatGPT generate text about other games or topics. Tip 2. Provide feedback and guidance to ChatGPT when needed. ChatGPT might not always know your intentions or expectations when generating text, so you should let it know if you like or dislike its responses, or if you want it to change or continue its direction. You can use phrases like, "That's great, that's not what I meant. Can you elaborate more on that? Can you give me an example?" etc. to communicate with ChatGPT and influence its output. Tip 3. Be creative and experiment with different modes and settings. ChatGPT can generate text in different modes and settings, and you can see how they affect the quality and style of the text that ChatGPT generates. For example, you can try the creative mode for more fun and original content, or the precise mode for more accurate and informative content. You can also change the tone, the personality, and the length of the responses to match your preferences and goals. Tip 4. Use other sources of information and inspiration when necessary. ChatGPT can generate text based on your input, but it is not a replacement for your own research and knowledge. Sometimes you might need to use other sources of information and inspiration when writing scripts for YouTube videos, such as books, articles, websites, podcasts, videos, etc. You can use these sources to add or check the information that ChatGPT provides, or to get new ideas or perspectives that ChatGPT might not generate. You can also mention these sources in your script if needed. In conclusion, ChatGPT can help you write scripts for YouTube videos in a fast and easy way. It can save you time and effort, improve your writing skills, and boost your creativity. However, ChatGPT is not a magic solution that can do everything for you. It might make errors or generate unsuitable content sometimes. Therefore, you should always use your own judgment and responsibility when using ChatGPT, and follow these tips and best practices to make the most of it. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.